Yo, what's good, people? Ever scrolled through Instagram and seen those guys flashing cash, living the good life? Ever wondered how they turned a little hustle into serious wealth? Well, I'll tell you a secret. It's not magic. It's the stock market. And the craziest part, you don't need to be a millionaire to get started. In this video, we're diving deep into how to turn a small investment, just 50,000 Naira, into a life-changing sum, $500,000 Naira. We're talking about the strategies, the platforms, the exact steps you need to take. Whether you're a complete newbie or you've dabbled in stocks before, this video is your roadmap to financial freedom. This is Money Babe, where we break down the complex world of investing and make it accessible to everyone. So, if you're ready to unlock your earning potential and watch your money grow, hit that like button, smash that subscribe button, and let's get this money. Why stocks are your secret weapon to building wealth. See, most people keep their money in savings accounts, right? But the truth is that money is just sitting there losing value every day because of this thing called inflation. Think of it like this. If you had 50,000 Naira 10 years ago, it could buy you way more than it can today. That's inflation eating away at your hard-earned cash. But with stocks, your money isn't just sitting there. It's working for you. When you invest in a company's stock, you're essentially buying a tiny piece of that company. As the company grows and becomes more profitable, the value of your shares increases too, and that's where the magic happens. Imagine buying a share of Dangote cement for 100 Naira today, and in a few years that same share is worth 500 Naira or even 1,000 Naira. That's the power of compounding, your money making more money. The stock market allows you to ride this wave of growth and turn your 50,000 Naira into 100,000, 200,000, even 500,000 Naira or more over time. It's not about getting rich quick, it's about making smart strategic investments that will set you up for long-term financial success. So, are you ready to stop letting inflation erode your savings and start putting your money to work? Let's get into it. Now, before you go throwing your money at any stock you see, you need the right tools, right? In the stock market, your broker is your best friend. Think of them as the middleman connecting you to the stock exchange, where all the buying and selling happens. Here in Nigeria, we've got some fantastic options that make investing super easy, even for beginners. One platform I really like is Trove. What's great about Trove is that it lets you invest in both Nigerian and US stocks, all from one app. You can buy shares in companies like GT Bank, Zenith Bank, Apple, Tesla, you name it. Another solid option is Bamboo. They focus specifically on US stocks. So if you're looking to invest in global giants like Amazon, Google, or Facebook, Bamboo's got you covered. And then there's Chaka. They offer a good mix of both local and foreign stocks, giving you a wide range of investment options. Signing up on these platforms is super straightforward. Just download the app, create an account, verify your identity, which is super important for security, and then fund your account with at least 50,000 Naira. That's your starting capital, the seed you're going to plant and watch grow into a money tree. Okay, now for the exciting part, choosing the stocks that will skyrocket your portfolio. Remember, we're not just throwing darts at a board here, we're being strategic, investing in companies with strong potential for growth. Think of it like this. You wouldn't just plant any seed and expect a mango tree, right? You'd choose a mango seed, nurture it, and watch it grow. It's the same with stocks. So, what kind of seeds should you be planting in your portfolio? Let's break it down into three main categories. First up, we've got dividend stocks. These are like the gift that keeps on giving. Companies that pay dividends basically share a portion of their profits with their shareholders, usually on a quarterly or annual basis. Think of it as passive income. In Nigeria, some popular dividend stocks include GT Bank, Zenith Bank, and MTN. Next, we've got growth stocks. These are the companies that are expanding rapidly, innovating and disrupting industries. They're like the young, ambitious go-getters of the stock market. Think tech companies, renewable energy companies, anything with massive potential for future growth. In Nigeria, companies like MTN, Dangote Cement, and BUA Cement fall into this category. Finally, we have defensive stocks. These are the companies that hold their own even when the economy takes a downturn. They provide essential goods and services that people always need, regardless of what's happening in the world. Think consumer staples like Nestle, Unilever, and pharmaceutical companies. A smart strategy is to diversify your portfolio by investing in all three categories. A good starting point is to allocate 30% to dividend stocks, 40% to growth stocks, and 30% to defensive stocks. This way, you're spreading your risk and setting yourself up for more stable, long-term growth. Alright, now that you know what to invest in, let's talk about how to invest wisely. Because it's not just about buying stocks, it's about making smart decisions that will maximize your returns and minimize your risks. So, here are 3 golden rules to live by. Rule number 1, start small, grow big. Don't go all in on one stock, even if you think it's a guaranteed winner. Remember, diversification is key. Spread your investments across different companies, different sectors, even different countries if your platform allows it. Rule number 2, invest consistently. The stock market is a marathon, not a sprint. Instead of trying to time the market and predict when prices will go up or down, which trust me is nearly impossible, focus on investing consistently over time. Even if it's just 10,000 or 20,000 naira every month, that consistency will pay off in the long run. Rule number 3, be patient. This is probably the hardest rule for most people, but it's crucial. The stock market goes up, it goes down, it goes sideways, it's a roller coaster ride. But the key is to not panic when things get bumpy. Remember, you're in it for the long haul. Don't make rash decisions based on short-term market fluctuations. Trust the process, trust your research, and give your investments time to grow. Alright, are you ready to see the exact plan to turn your 50,000 naira into $500,000? Let's break it down step by step. Month 1. This is where it all begins. Take your 50,000 naira and invest it in 3 strong stocks, ideally one from each category we discussed earlier, a dividend stock, a growth stock, and a defensive stock. Months 2 through 6. Consistency is key, remember? Each month add another 10,000 naira to your portfolio, spreading it across your chosen stocks. This consistent investment will not only accelerate your growth but also help you ride out any market volatility. Years 1 through 3. Now this is where the magic of compounding really kicks in. As your stocks pay dividends, reinvest those dividends back into your portfolio. This means you'll be buying more shares, which will generate even more dividends, creating a snowball effect. Historically, strong Nigerian stocks have shown an average growth rate of 10% to 20% per year. Now I'm not saying this to guarantee any returns. Past performance is not an indicator of future results, but it just goes to show the potential of the stock market. If you follow this plan consistently, reinvest your dividends, and let compound growth work its magic, your initial 50,000 naira investment could potentially grow to 500,000 naira or more in 5 to 7 years. It's not a get-rich-quick scheme, it's about making smart, informed decisions and letting time work in your favor. Now, before you dive headfirst into the stock market, let's talk about some common mistakes that can trip you up. Because let's be real, everyone makes mistakes, especially when they're starting out. But the key is to learn from them and avoid repeating them. Mistake number 1, buying based on hype. You know how it is. You're scrolling through social media, and suddenly everyone's talking about this hot new stock that's guaranteed to make you rich. Don't fall for it. Always do your own research before investing in any stock, no matter how tempting it seems. Mistake number 2, panic selling. Remember that roller coaster we talked about? Well, sometimes the drops can be scary, and it's easy to get caught up in the fear and sell your stocks when prices plummet. But here's the thing, if you've chosen solid companies and you're in it for the long haul, those dips are just buying opportunities. Stay calm, stay focused on your long-term goals, and don't let your emotions dictate your investment decisions. Mistake number 3, not diversifying. I know I've said it before, but it's worth repeating. Diversification is your best friend. Don't put all your eggs in one basket, no matter how confident you are in that basket. Spread your investments across different companies, different sectors, and even different asset classes if you can. This will help mitigate your risk and protect your portfolio from major losses. So there you have it, the roadmap to turning 50,000 naira into 500,000 naira through the power of the stock market. Remember, it's not about getting rich quick. It's about making smart, informed decisions and letting time work its magic. Start small, invest consistently, diversify your portfolio, be patient, and avoid those common mistakes. The journey might have its ups and downs, but trust me, the rewards are worth it. Now I want to hear from you. What stock are you most excited to invest in first? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel for more money-making tips, and share this video with your friends so they can start their investment journey too. Let's build a community of financially empowered individuals, one investment at a time.